CUSEC after po ma-reveal itong 6.7 billion pesos na suspicious transactions ni VP Duterte at ng kanyang asawa, Attorney Carpio has filed criminal complaints against officials of BSP, AMLAC, and several members of the Justice House Committee for alleged violation of Anti-Money Laundering Act, Bank Secrecy Law, and Data Privacy Act. Any reaction po, and is Malacanang concerned that filing cases against regulators may create a chilling effect po on institutions performing their functions?
Karapatan po ni Numan na magsampa ng kaso. Ang tanong lamang po kung ito'y magpo-prosper. So, hindi na po hawak ng palasyo at ng Pangulo kung ano magiging desisyon ng korte. Ang mga korte po natin, ang mga judges natin, pati justices, ay matatalino. So, alam po nila kung anong dapat na gamiting batas at paano ito madidismiss o magkakaroon ng progress.